Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be talking about the 5 coolest things you can do with WSL on Windows. So without further ado, let's get started. Did you know that you can create multiple files and folders in Linux terminal with just a single command? Here is how. Let me first create a new folder, go inside it and open the Windows File Explorer. Now in order to create multiple folders, we'll simply type mkdir, then a general name for all these folders, and within curly braces we'll provide the range of the folders we would like to create. Now press enter and let's head over to the Windows File Explorer. Let's do a quick refresh. As you can see, hundreds of folders are created in just a single command. In a similar way, we can also create multiple files. To do that, we just type touch, then the default file names, and within curly braces the range of the files, and at the end we put a dot and then the file extension. Now let's head over to the File Explorer again, do a quick refresh, and as you can see, there are tens of files created in just a single command. How cool is that? If you are wondering how much processing power and memory WSL is consuming, there is a simple command that you can use to get an overview. Just type top, press enter, and there it is. As you can see, there are 26 active tasks in total. CPU usage is almost 0%, and out of 8 GB of RAM memory, 7 GB is still free. To get out of it, we just have to press Ctrl+C on the keyboard. Did you ever try to combine two PDF files into one, but did not know how to do it? There is actually an easy way to do it in Linux. Let me show you how right now. For this, we'll need to install popular utils first. So let's go ahead and type sudo apt install popular utils. Then press enter. Let's say we want to combine two PDF files, file 1 and file 2. Make sure we are in the right file directory. Now we just need to type PDF unite, then the name of the first PDF file, file1.pdf, and the second one, file2.pdf, and lastly the name of the final PDF file. So we'll just call it final.pdf and press enter. As you can see, there is a third PDF file in this directory that just got created. Let's do a quick refresh and double click this PDF file. As you can see, those two PDF files are merged together. Are you feeling bored for some reason or another, or no reason at all? There are some fun games you can play right inside the terminal. Let's install a few. If you haven't played Busted before, here is your chance to play it now. Once it is installed, just type Busted and we are good to go. I'm pretty sure all of you can play this game better than me. There is another game most of you have played before. It is called N-Snake. If you are playing, don't forget to show off your high score in the comment section. A quick Google search will show you a list of other games that you can play on WSL in Windows. Did you know that you can run GUI apps on WSL? There are lots of apps available on Ubuntu App Store that you can run directly from terminal. For example, we can quickly install Nautilus, which is the default file explorer in Ubuntu. The installation is as usual, and to launch it, we just type Nautilus and hit enter. As you can see, it has opened on my second screen, and it has the same look and feel as if we are using it on a Ubuntu desktop. Just like this one, we can install many other apps like GNOME Text Editor, Evin's PDF Reader, or even a browser app like Chrome or Firefox. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, comment below. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.